Hello everyone, this is Liz with EC QuickBooks Training. In today's video, I'm going to cover some of the things I don't like about the receipts section in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. To get to the receipts section, you go into banking and then receipts. Now I do like that QuickBooks did establish this feature because this is something that was missing for us accountants and of course for the customer as well. But this is a way for us to get receipts from the client in a faster way. So the client or the business owner can upload by the computer, can forward the receipts, or can take a picture through their phone. And now you could also do bills as well. But one of the things that I don't like about the receipt is when you go and categorize, there are a couple things. First of all, let me just click on this one. There's no way to use products and services when you go and categorize it. So yes, of course, you could do it to a job, and you could select a customer or job. So there's no way to select a products and services and then put a job towards it. I would have to post this or enter this receipt, capture it, save it, and then I have to go open the transaction, and let's see if I could show you what I mean. Open the transaction and then go and use this side. Enter the information up here to this products and services section where I can use the category, and of course enter my client information or the client information there, and the receipt is attached here. So that's one of the things that I hope QuickBooks will hopefully in the future add that feature where you can add the products and services directly from this receipt capture. Another thing I do not like is that QuickBooks, QuickBooks thinks it's correct on every transaction, and when it tries to match information, sometimes, most of the time, and this is why a bookkeeper is needed to look at these details, most of the time it is not correct. It's very important that you confirm the information QuickBooks is telling you. For example, this receipt, it's a Home Depot receipt. But if you look at this, QuickBooks is saying that it's a AAA membership. Why? Because the amount, it's matching it by the amount. This is not the correct match. This is the correct match. QuickBooks is saying, well, there's two transactions with the same amount, almost on the same, or like one day apart. So it's probably this one. And if you're not paying attention, or it could be that there could not have been this, this transaction already entered. Let's just say it was this one. If you're not paying attention and just hit match, you're attaching this receipt to the wrong transaction. So you have to be aware of that. That's very important. Another thing I don't like is you can't really download a copy of the receipts unless you go in here, you click on the picture, it brings you to a different tab, and then you can right click. But you can't really download. If I select some images and I go to batch actions, there is no download. There is only deleted. Now, why would I want to do that? Well, why would I want to download? I would want to download just to keep a separate file for my records in case anything happens with this QuickBooks, or you can't, log on, or for whatever reason, you always want to keep backups of your receipts. But in this case, this client entered old receipts. Now, I can delete them, which I will do, but I wanted to keep a copy of this receipt. But now I have to go one by one and make copies just for my records. Now, and you can't, when you go into the gear icon in attachments, you can download from here, but you can only download receipts. It will let you export. You can only export receipts or download receipts that have already been categorized. It won't let you do or export for those that have not been categorized, or that they're in the receipt capture section waiting to be entered. So that's something I don't like about that feature. But other than that, I mean, it's working great. I like that I can see my clients' receipts in here and be able to categorize it. Now, if you don't do job costing, then it's not a problem. And being able to not download, it's, I mean, really not a problem. But, and you can directly enter it to a customer. But for construction companies, you know, I like to use products and services and make sure that I'm using the reports correctly. So that is something that I don't like for my construction clients. And that's something I wanted to share, but give this a try. You know, you can upload, email, or scan a picture. And if you do know how, if you found a way to download these, please leave a comment below. I would really like to know how you would do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, tips and tricks, and troubleshooting for QuickBooks. I will see you in the next one.